Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to start my fall seeds. I have a list, so let me get my list out. I'll just be planting anything. So I'm going to plant kohlrabi, spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, radish, turnips, beets, onions, garlic, leeks, kale, and collards. So first, I'm going to do my onions. And I'm just going to plant them all together in one of these. And the ones I'm going to plant is the Texas super sweet onions, and I'm going to do some red, I want red burgundy or red Creole. I think I do red Creole. I'm just going to plant two types, but I'm going to do one in one and one in the other, so that I have two different types. And I'm going to let them stay in here till I transplant them. And there we have it. Let me find me a name tag. Nope. So I'm going to have to create it later. We're going to do red in the front. And yellow in the back. And I saved some onion seeds, so I can use those in the spring next year. Right now I'm going to use these. I just want to put a little water on the top to wet them. That's going to be too much force. Too much force. Oh, that hair must have dehydrated. So let me fill this up. Alright, let's squirt these in. The onions are like carrots. You gotta keep them wet. So I'm gonna put a plastic bag over them. Keep them moist. Some saran wrap. Red Creole. Long sweat bee. And I like using my labeler because it doesn't get sun damage. So it stays on here all year. I don't sit there and knock it out and break it, and I'll be pissed. I got scissors. Hello. Stuff over and break stuff, make a mess. Red onions, and let's do the one for the yellow ones. Yellow is super sweet. And that's it for these two. All I need to do is cover them. So that's my onions out the way. Next up is shit. Let's fill up the pans. I'm gonna put about 2 or 3 seeds in each one, just in case they don't germinate. So I have some, but I do have some brassicas over there already. Some greens. So right now I'm just going to start my broccoli and cabbage and cauliflower. And I'm in zone 8A in Georgia. In case someone was wondering, they don't know. In the Atlanta metro area. And I'm not pressing these down real hard. I don't want to compact the soil. But just enough to make sure I got enough soil in here. And I put these gloves on so I don't mess my nails up, but that ain't working because I already done broke through the gloves. So much for that. Let me know what y'all planting for the fall, for your fall garden. Have you started yet? Thought about it? Wrote out a list? I cleaned my garden up over the weekend somewhat. Not all the way, but it was so hot. Did what I can. It's just extremely, this heat. It's just too much. Alright. That's it for that. I'm gonna water these in. The soil is damp, but I still want to water it in for the seeds in it. Because I like it wet so that they germinate easily. Because it's hot out here and they will dry out. I'm going to put the dome on top of them to hold the moisture in. And hopefully that helps. I hope it starts cooling off, but I don't know. Alright, next up is kohlrabi and broccoli. So, and I want to do some bok choy. So, we got some Cisco broccoli. Oh, that one ain't open. Let's get one that's open. That's open. Red acre cabbage. We got broccoli roll. We got purple kohlrabi, cabbage, purple sprouting broccoli, early Jersey. Cauliflower ain't even been open. Bok choy. I got some green kohlrabi. Maybe I used all of it. Alright. Cabbage, broccoli. Oh, I just filled them seeds. Cabbage. Okay. Kohlrabi. These seeds are very tiny, like greens, collard greens and stuff. So they don't need a lot of dirt. I'm gonna do 2 rows of kohlrabi. And just sprinkle dust in the dirt on top of them, not much. Just a little teeny little dusting because the seeds are so small. And, oh, all of them in here. And I mean all of them. And there's Jersey cabbage, spinach. Let's find kohlrabi. One kohlrabi. Yeah, one more. I have more than one. Alright, we got a kohlrabi. So next we're going to do the Jersey cabbage. I already got a thing for it. Alright, we got the early Jersey cabbage. I don't know if we have more than one of those. Now let me just stick that one and we know that's what it is beside it. I'll make another one. Alright. Purple broccoli. Let's get this red egg cabbage we can fill in here. Still folding out. A whole lot of that. I'm gonna have to thin these. They ain't coming off my finger. I had one for that too. Here it's not. Okay, I finished everything. Put them in here. I have onions, bok choy, and Brussels sprouts. And I'm gonna keep the lids on them until they sprout, so the birds won't get them. And this one, I have Savoy cabbage, kohlrabi, purple broccoli, red apricot cabbage, and then on the front row I have Savoy cabbage, snowball cauliflower, the Ezekiel broccoli, and broccoli raw. So that's all I got planned for today. Oh, and I did carrots. More carrots. I almost hit my head. So I put some carrots down here. I'm covering them until they sprout, cause the birds, they eat up the seeds. But they are the Denver short, I believe. I watered them in. And I'm just going to keep this cover over them for a few days. They'll sprout pretty fast, probably because of the heat. But that's what I'm going to do. They're right next to my okra. So we'll see what they do this time. So, okay, y'all, that is it for my fall seed starting. This is the first of it. I will try to finish it by the end of the week. What should be planted. I'm a little bit behind on some of this stuff, but what have you, it is what it is. We'll see what we get. I think we're not going to get cold winter, so it may be okay. So anyway, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have not subscribed, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comment section. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.